Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and healthy. So, today again we are here for learning science. As you know, I am your science teacher Mubassira Miss from Mahdi School. So, today we learn textbook exercise. We continue our lesson number 4, plant as food. In this lesson we learn about food we get from plant. So today's topic is textbook exercise. Let's start our today's lecture with one beautiful line that those who want to get succeeds, they can make stone bridges on the sea also. So when you see the bridge on sea, that on water, you understand that how it made by someone. So who want to succeed in life, they can make stone bridge on sea also. So your dreams fulfilled with your own thinking. So if you think hard for fulfill your dream, you can do it. So now you understand that those who want to get succeed, they can make stone bridges on the sea also, which is impossible. When you think, so still engineers make bridge on sea. So let's start our today's lecture. We continue our lesson number 4. In what is the name of the lesson? The name of the lesson is plant as food. We already learned about plant in lesson number 3. So here we learn about food we get from plant. So as you know, many foods we get from plant. Which are they? Fruits, all types of fruits, then vegetables, brinjal, tomato, carrot and many others. Cereals and pulses which we use in our food. Tea, coffee and sugar also we get from plants. So these all things we get from plant, which we learn. Root vegetables, carrot, garlic, onion and many. Stem, sugarcane, potato, leaf, so many leaf we eat. Coriander and mint. Flowers we eat, cauliflower, broccoli. Fruits we eat, pulses, tea, coffee and sugar. Let's revise what we learned yesterday. So yesterday we do activity in which we have to find out odd one. So we find out odd one from the pictures. So first we find out apple, which is not root of the plant. Then in second we have to find out which is not leaf of the plant. So potato is not leaf of the plant. Then we have to find out which is not stem of the plant. So we learn that carrot is a look like stem, but it is not stem of the plant. Then cauliflower, broccoli and onion. So from this, onion is not flower of the plant. So onion is a root of the plant. Then we learn that food we get from plant, sugar, tea and butter. So we get sugar from plant, tea from plant and butter we get from animals. So odd one is butter. Mango, sugarcane and brinjal. Mango and brinjal are fruits, when sugarcane is a stem of the plant. wheat, maize and peas. So peas is a pulses, when wheat and maize is a cereal of the plant. Chickpeas, wheat and peas. So from these, chickpeas and peas are pulses when wheat is a cereal of the plant. Then coffee, milk and tea. Again food we get from plant. So we not get milk from plant. So we not get milk from plant. We get milk from animals. When the tea and coffee we get from plant. We get tea from tea leaf and coffee from coffee seeds. Then number 10. Again food we get from plant. So we get fruits from plant, vegetables from plant and chicken we get from animals. So you can see here that we circle the chicken tikka. So now you can understand that how food we get from plant and how we divide in different parts. So we learned in this lesson yesterday that how we bifurcate the foods we get from plant, and we find out the which is odd one from it, which is not root of the plant, which is not stem of the plant. So we learn all these things in lesson number 4, plant as food. Today we learn something new about plants. We learn that we also get some other food from plants. We not only get vegetables and fruits and cereals and pulses, many other things which we can eat also we get from plant. Let's see which are they. First, dry fruits and nuts. So you can see here so many dry fruits in this picture. You can see almond, peanut and many other. So these all are dry fruits which we eat. We called it dry fruits or nuts. So these all are dry fruits. Why we called it dry fruits? Because at once they all are fruits of the plant, and when it dry we use in dry fruits. So let's see some dry fruits. Remember that these all are we eat as a dry fruit when it is a dry. So here you can see that the fruits which are dry, after we take out from the plant, we eat as a dry fruit, and these all dry fruits are very healthy for our brain. So let's see some dry fruits. Which dry fruit it is? It is almonds. So here you can see that what almonds saying that if you eat a few of me every day, you can get muscles like me. So almond help to sharp your mind and give energy to your body. So like this you can see other dry fruit. These all are dry fruits and we use in mostly sweet dishes from our food, and we add in garnishing also. So here you can see some nuts. In this you can see almonds and cashew nuts and pistachio. So you can see here walnut also and many other dry fruits. So we also eat dry grapes. So let's see picture of dry grapes. You can see here the black dry grapes. which is become from black grapes. When black grapes dry, we use these black grapes in our food, and it is a green dry grapes. So there are two type of grapes which we eat in fruit, black and green. So these grapes when dry we use in our food as a dry fruit. So now you can understand that fruits when it dry we use as a dry fruit. So these all dry fruits we get from plant. Like all dry fruits, peanut also we get from plant. Now let's see some other things which we get from plant. We also get oil from plant. Cooking oil we get from plant, which we use to make food. So in our house, when you make food, first ingredients for cooking is oil. We can also eat boiled food and roast food, but mostly we eat food which contain oil also. So we start making food in oil. So this cooking oil we get from plant. So let's see from which plant we get cooking oil. We also use oil for many other things which we get from plant. Here you can see 3 types of oil which we use in food. First is groundnut oil, which we get from peanut, and peanut is a food which we get from plant. Second is coconut oil. So in many countries and in our country also, many people use coconut oil in cooking. In our house mostly we use groundnut oil and cottonseed oil. So other people are also use coconut oil. So we get that coconut oil from coconut. We also use this coconut oil in our hair. So third is cottonseed oil, which we get from cotton plant. So we get cotton from cotton plant, and that seeds give us oil which we use in our food. So now you can understand that plants not only give us fruits, vegetables, cereals and pulses. Food we get from plant is oil which we get from groundnuts, coconut and cotton seeds. So many other oils also we get from plant, like almond oil, like walnut oil, then olive oil. These all we get from plant. So most of the food we get from plant, which we learn in lesson number 4. Now let's start today's exercise. So we start our lesson number 4, plant as a food, textbook exercise. So first we write hard words. First hard word is useful. USEFULL. So we learn that useful things we eat or we get from plant. Then second, cereals. So here what is meaning of cereals? That the wheat, rice and corn which we get from plant, we called it cereals. So you can see here picture of cereals. What is spelling of cereal? CEREALS. So now you understand what is cereals. Then pulses. So the seeds which we get from plant and we eat in our food. You know that not all seeds we can eat. Some seeds which we can eat are called pulses. So what is the spelling of pulses? PULSES. And which pulses are there? peas and chickpea. Fourth, coffee. COFFE. We learn about coffee which we get from plant. So you can see here coffee beans also and the coffee which we can drink. So it we get from plant. Then sugar. SUGAR. Sugar we use to make food sweet. So this sugar we get from plant. Which plant we get sugar? Sugarcane. Spices. Here you can see the whole spices. It gives flavor in our food. As we know that these all things we use in our food as a powder also, and we use whole spices also in our food. We also use spices to make medicines. So it all are spices. Then oil. We use oil in our food. So what is spelling of oil? OIL, oil. And we get oil from plants like groundnut oil, cotton seeds oil and coconut oil. Beetroot. So you can see here picture of beetroot, which is a root of the plant. Spinach. SPINACH. So spinach is a leaf of the plant. Broccoli. BROCCOLI. So it is the flower of the plant which we learn. Then 11. Wheat. WHEAT. It is a grain. We called it cereals also. So we make many things from wheat like bread and chapatis and many other sweet dishes also we make from wheat. Maize, we also called it corn. We make a popcorn from it. So maize, MAIZE. Gram, we also called it chickpeas. It is a gram which we get from plant. Kidney beans. KIDNEY BEANS. Kidney beans, red color pulses. We learn about kidney beans in lesson number 4. TEA. You can see here tea dust also and the tea which we can drink. You can see here spices we use to make tea healthy. So these spices when you add in tea become healthy. So now question number 2. Fill in the blanks. So in this you have to write one answer from 2 words which given in bracket. So let's see. First fill in the blanks. We write this fill in the blanks with what we learn in this lesson. So question number 1, fill in the blanks. Number 1, we get vegetables and fruits from plants or animals. So here you can see that 2 pictures. First picture in this blank is plants. You can see apple tree, and second picture is of animals. So these animals are also give us food like hen give us eggs, we can eat chicken, and we also eat fish. So plants and animals both give us food. But here we talk about vegetables and fruits. So from which we get vegetables and fruits? Plants or animals? So from where we get apple? Apple is a fruit. Apple we get from plant, and we get brinjal from plant also. So what is the answer? Plants. So now you can see here which is the right answer? Plant. So let's tick mark plants. So we get fruits and vegetables from plants, not from the animals. We learn about food we get from animals also, but not in this lesson. So let's start second. Now what is second FB? Spinach and cabbage are dash that we eat. So remember we learn about spinach and cabbage that they grow in ground and they have only leaves. So it is a leaf of the plant or stem of the plant. You can see here picture of stem also and leaf also. So let's think in your mind how cabbage look. It looks like stem or it looks like leaf. So it's look like a leaf because we learn about spinach also and cabbage also. So spinach and cabbage are leaves of the plant. So what is right from it? Stem or spinach? Spinach is a leaf of the plant. You can see here spinach leaf and sugarcane stem. So right answer is leaves. Next, number 3. Potato is the dash part of the plant. So you can see here two pictures, root and stem. So when we see the plant of potato, we see that potato grow underground, but it is not root of the plant, it is a stem of the plant. So the right answer is stem. And what is right from this picture? First picture is of root or stem? It is picture of root. So second, sugarcane is a stem of the plant. So the right answer is stem. So potato is a stem part of the plant. Then number 4. Cauliflower is a dash we eat. So when you see cauliflower spelling, you can see the flower also in spelling. So it is very easy that cauliflower is a flower of the plant. So from this picture, which is the flower of the plant? White color flower or roots? Two of them picture, which is the flower of the plant? Root is underground part. When flower is the right answer. So here we tick mark the flower. So cauliflower is the flower of the plant. Then number 5. Mango and dash are fruits that we eat. Now let's revise. Fruits we learn mango, banana, pineapple, apple, grapes and many other. So here is 2 options you have, apple or potato. So apple is a fruit of the plant and potato is a stem of the plant. So with mango, what we put? Apple or potato? Apple. So mango and apple are fruits that we eat. So from this picture, which is a apple? Yes, first one, and second one is potato, which is a stem of the plant, not fruit of the plant and not a leaf of the plant. It is a considering stem. So from fruits and vegetable, apple is a fruit, when potato we use in vegetable. Next, now let's do something interesting. So here we are making iCard of food we get from plant. So remember, when you come to school, you used to wear iCard. It is a compulsory. So when you come to school, you wear iCard. Did you see your iCard? What is in it? That what is your name? What is your phone number? What is your standard that you are study in first, second or third, and your photo is also there. So today we make a iCard of foods which we get from plant, and from this we also revise that what we learn in this lesson. So let's start making iCard of food. So here we have a picture of food. So let's make iCard of food. First, which picture is that? Here I have photo of which picture is that? It is a carrot. Remember, we learn about carrot. So what is the name of this food? Carrot. So in name column we write carrot. And which type of food it is? It is a fruit, it is a cereal, it is a vegetable, it is a pulses. So we use as a vegetable. So the name of this food is carrot and type is vegetable. So now the iCard of carrot is ready. Now let's see second picture. Which picture is this? It is a picture of one food which we eat as a meal also, eat as a soup also, and eat as a snack also. So what is name of this food? Corn. We also called it maize, but here we write corn. And what is type of this food? Cereal or pulses? Cereals. We learn about cereals, wheat, rice and corn. So the iCard of corn is ready. Now third. Yes, we grow watermelon plant. Remember? So what is name of this food? It is a watermelon. And which type of food it is? Fruit. So we eat as a fruit watermelon. We also make juice of watermelon. Then next, which food it is? It is a lemon. We make juice from it. And is that a vegetable or is that a fruit? Let's see. Fruit. Remember, we learned that some vegetables are also fruit of the plant. So lemon is a fruit of the plant. Now let's see next. Which is this? It is a peas, green peas. We make green peas, rice also. So peas. And which type? It is a pulses. We also use in vegetable, but it is a pulses. So it is a, we all know, which is this? Potato, which we eat every day, mostly, with every vegetable also, with brinjal also, with peas also, with chicken also. Then it is a vegetable, you all know that potato is a vegetable. Then next, which grain it is? It is a wheat, the name of the grain wheat. And which type it is? It is a cereal. So we consider wheat in cereal. So now you can understand that every plant give us different thing and we give it name and divide in different type. So from this activity, I hope you understand that how we know the fruits, vegetables and cereals from different names. So I hope you all understand. So take care and stay healthy.